All right, this is a truck stop. Now, we got to go into this space here. Now, I don't recommend going in, turning right in this way. I recommend staying out here and hugging everything. And then we're going to go off to the left and get our rear end pointing towards the space. Okay, let's go. Let's get my steers straight. All right. See, now we're pointing towards the space. I'm way too close to this guy. I don't like it. It's scaring me. There we go. We're just going to maintain that straight back. And by the time I need to do anything, if I need to... Yeah, there. Oh no, I'm getting so close. Oh, scratched him. Whoops. Lost a life. And my career. All right. Anyway, that's how you do that. But try doing it without hitting the guy, okay? Okay, I'll do it just without hitting him, just for the sake of the game. Okay, full. I'm just going to get the quick 3 stars. Now, you don't actually have to turn in right away. Again, remember, it's a game. You can do whatever you want. If you want to turn in and blindside in, by all means, do that. But this is kind of, you can even turn this into an offset. Okay, let's start backing up. We're going to go to the right. There we go. Basically an offset back. Let's zoom in so I can see what's going on. All right, there we go. You can do that if you want.